Get ready to pull some G.
Heads up, people. This is Nick Fury, Director of S.H.I.E.L.D. I've called you here because we have a bit of a situation. As we speak, the supervillain prison known as the Raft is under attack by agents of Hydra. Several prisoners have already escaped their cells. Level 7 threats. Like Green Goblin, Sabretooth, Living Laser, Dr. Octopus. Some have even escaped the island. S.H.I.E.L.D. has agents on site, but we need your help. Get to the Raft and do what you can. Good luck.
Director Fury is on his way. In his absence, I'll stay in touch while you work. Don't worry, you'll hardly notice me.
Am I an Avenger yet? I'll store that one for the winter.
Death to the lackey.
Sweet!
Thanks. Now we have eyes and ears inside the facility again.
I'm not going back in that cell! I'm not done yet!
Am I an Avenger yet?
Good work taking down Living Laser. No wonder Fury speaks so highly of you. That should keep the rest of the cells locked up tight. I just wish you could have gotten here sooner to stop the bleeding. Okay, I think we're through the worst of it. Meet me up ahead and we'll talk about what's next.
I could sure use this next winter.
Oh, look! It's time to play. I won't let you defeat me! This isn't over. It's never over!
Gosh, I'm even more surprised than you are.
Goblin's down and the breakout is contained. Head to the landing pad just up ahead to meet with Director Fury. This is worse than it seems.
Good to see you, hero.
I hope you don't get airsick.
The Raft assault was a spectacular success, if I do say so myself. Thanks to Hydra, there will be bedlam in the streets of New York.
And a list.
Yes, the entire list. But I can't help but wonder, Dr. Octopus, MODOK, Wizard, what does Dr. Doom gain from their freedom?
And with this, we end our transaction.
This is it?
This technology exploits a flaw in Tony Stark's security system.
Well then, hail Hydra.
Be gone.
Listen up, hero.